New Car Rentals is marketed as an affordable car rental company offering competitive rates, convenient airport locations, and a wide range of vehicles. The low headline prices can look tempting, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing say? Now, to be fair, budget rental companies can offer excellent value, especially if you don't need premium service or extras. But the advertised daily rate isn't always the final price you pay. What it does well, competitive base rates. And you can advertise lower prices than some of the major rental companies, especially for economy and compact vehicles. Wide range of vehicles. Depending on the location, you may find everything from economy cars to SUVs and larger vehicles. Where the hype falls apart, the advertised price isn't necessarily the final price. Taxes, fees, insurance, deposits, fuel policies, and optional extras can substantially increase the total cost. Airport rentals can have additional costs. Location-specific fees and transportation arrangements can affect the overall value. Vehicle condition can vary. As with many budget rental companies, the actual vehicle you receive may not perfectly match your expectations from the website photos. So, should you rent from new? Short answer, maybe, if price is your priority. If you find a significantly cheaper rate and carefully understand the rental terms, and you can be worth considering. But don't compare companies based only on the advertised daily rate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.